Good medical morning. This is Adam from Westside Hospital, and today we've got a great product for you. It's the world's smallest smart pillbox. In fact, it's the first smart pillbox I've ever seen. And just a quick look and you'll see it has room for your morning, noon, and night medication. It ties into your smartphone with a Bluetooth application. It charges with your USB. So essentially your phone can be used to remind you when to take your medication, and say your spouse or maybe parent needs a personal reminder, well, you can tie right in and help them out. I personally know how important something like this is. My grandfather, who's 95, was recently taking too much medication. It almost killed him and paralyzed half of his body. Fortunately, my mom was there to check the dosage, and she realized there was an error. If she had a product like this, she could do it remotely and she could really check and make sure he's taking his medication accordingly. It's currently available on Amazon Prime for under $40. It's easy to use, and it's something that you definitely want to check out. Whether you're just a guy in your 40s or a girl in your 40s who needs to take your medication at different times of day, this is perfect for you. Or if you have somebody that you want to check on, you want to make sure they're taking their medication, well, it's another great opportunity for you to use it. With the price, it's completely affordable, it's lightweight, it's easy to use, and it has audio and visual reminders to take your medication. I also like that it tracks what medication you've taken. I've got one pill I have to take every other Friday. It's hard to remember if I took it last Friday or not. This would solve that. So there you go, folks. Go ahead and click like and subscribe. We have new videos all the time. And check out the link in the description below. I'm Adam from Westside Hospital, and we're out of here.